To make our boomerang look like it is flying in our Australian sky, we needed to add a piece of paper underneath to help this look like it's coming off the flat desert and flying through the sky, just like a real boomerang would do. For this, we will need a paper strip and some school white glue. So the paper strip we need to fold in an accordion fold. Well, an accordion fold starts with taking the paper and folding it towards you and creasing at the top. Then we flip the whole paper over and then we fold away from you and crease at the bottom. And we repeat. So we flip it over and we fold it towards you, crease at the bottom, flip it over, fold away from you. So it goes towards, away, it makes a pattern. Flip it over, crease, flip it over, crease. This is a little tricky, but once you get it, you get it. When you don't have enough space to do another fold, that's it, you're done. When you let go of this piece of paper, it should spring up. It makes a little spring, like a big zigzag shape. That's how you know you did it right. If you forgot to flip, you might have ended it with around and around and around. If that happened, just stretch it out and try again. No big deal. So this really nice accordion will work really well to help our boomerang fly in the sky. So the first thing we want to do is we want to put a couple of dots of glue. Remember our dot, not a lot. If you do too much glue, it will end up slipping and sliding and not sticking down. So I'm going to put just a couple of dots, depending on how big this piece is. Maybe one is enough. So just a little bit is all you need. Then pick a spot on your artwork to glue it and hold it for maybe 10, 15, 20, count in your head. When you let go, that paper should stay put. Then the same thing, you put another 2 dots or 1 dot if it's small. And this time you pick up your boomerang and you find part of it that you want to put, and think about how much of your background you're covering up. Like, I don't really want to put it this way because it would cover up most of my sun. But if I put it this way, it's covering up just the blank sky, and that's just fine with me. So I'm gonna find a spot, stick it on, and I'm going to count again to 20. And it's okay if some of it sticks out on the top. When I let go, it should bounce up and keep that boomerang from sitting flat on the paper. And you might think that that looks a little funny, but it does help our boomerang really look like it's flying through the sky, which is so cool. This artwork then can be photographed and then can go home. To take it home safely, the best way to do it is to actually put a fold in your artwork this way, a little bit less than your boomerang, because you don't want to bend your boomerang. So it may not be exactly in half, and that is fine. But we do want to put a little bit of a fold so that you have some place to nicely carry this artwork home. But take your picture first before you fold it, so you have that nice photo of your artwork that can be seen by anybody who sees our art. So yeah. And this artwork is done.